Right guys, Ed Shed. There they are. There's all our templates. There's all our patch panels to repair the boot floor, made out of cider bottles, cider cans do come useful. So don't let anyone ever say that they don't. They're great, they're good. Wrong. Made a mistake. They're good. So that's it. Apart from the other little bit, which is the repairs on the bottom of the rear subframe mounts, that thing, you know, where the subframe mounts. But I've actually made some panels for those, so I can't show you that in a minute because the simple reason is I don't know where they are. But that got cut out. I'm going to cut all that lot out tonight. I'll stencil all that out. I might even bodge something in. But I extracted this from the old shed. And admittedly, as we say, it's rusty. And it is a series one. It's got the Russianite pod. But I don't think I'm going to try and make it fit. I know, I mean, come on. It's all right, and it's got the right sort of mounting, but it's not right, to be honest. But it's either that or spend a load of money, which I don't want to do. I've already spent enough. So at the moment we're not really we're just spending time. It's just time and hassle. It's not costing any money at the moment. We've already had all this. This is the remains left over the floor sheet, so you know, that's not the issue. So I'm going to hope to get a little bit further on. I mean, for the eagle-eyed people who are going to be complaining, you will see things sort of starting to come together. I love it when E Type comes together. Anyway, but yeah, so at the moment we're just plodding on. We're just going to keep on. I'm going to cut those out. I've got these. I showed you this because this is my replacement. Got a load of that. And I've actually also found some other bits and pieces that could come incredibly useful to do the ends of the sills. So the end repair panels I got. So I you know, yeah, it might look horrendous, and I'm sure you're all gonna look under it when you get a chance going, go on, rubbish. Yeah. Go right ahead, guys. Knock yourselves out. There he is. There's my little hookup. Okay, right guys. So look, that's going to go, yeah, that's going on there. And the other one, which I've got to hack off the bit of leg that's outside, is going to go onto, that makes sense? It's going to be, this is going to bend, this is going to bend. And so that's going to come up, go onto my inner sill. Obviously that's not going to be on there, that side. That's not going to be on there, but I'm going to make a heavier plate, which I've got over here, and I'm going to route it to this too. But inside there, I'm also going to use some box section. I've got some 4x2 box section here, which sort of like this. This is 2x2, but I'm going to use that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run across me idea of the rear bulkhead. I'm running a great big box section along, which is going to pick up on the two radiator cups. And that will then ultimately mean that my radiator cups will not be, the back floor is going to be, it's going to be as good as factory because it's going to be the same. And then obviously that will go like so. Yeah, can you get the idea? Or they need a little bit more bending. I think that one might need a little more bending. Yeah, they need a little bit more bending. They need a little bit more of a oof putting in, but that's okay. That's all right. All right, guys. This is just made out of all the scrap I've got around here. So that is brilliant. I'm gonna have that panel off there in a minute, and that one is infinitely better than the ones I've been trying to use. So that is a driver's side. So yeah, so that's my driver's side. That's where the air cleaner mounts. So yeah, so that's good. I mean, that's okay. That's actually, I didn't think I had that. I've been looking around here trying, because I know I've got some that I've painted. I showed you, I think, and they're pretty corroded. Not very nice. One of them isn't. One's good. So that means in theory, as long as the one that's good is not the one that's not good, then I've done it. Yeah, does that make sense? That's my toe towels, right? That's the 8 post trim. That's spare steel. That is £2 for there. So yeah, so at the moment it's just I just can't see where they are. I don't know where they are, guys. I don't know. And here they are. Look, here we go. So I've got one, which is not very nice, and I've got two, which is not very nice. But maybe I could make one out of these two. So what's that one? I'll sit at the bottom. Ooh. So that one is that one, which means that the other one is so what do you think? Just take this one, straighten this one up, use this one on that side, and then this one I will cut that in, and that end is okay. So what I can do is I will have to use that end, and I'll weld that together, and then that will then give me my battery box cover side. So yeah, so that's it. There's two more things we haven't got to worry about. That's all done. I'll tell you what, when you're out here, mate, honestly, it is because you just keep seeing more things to do. More things all the time, more things. The holes you find in this tire, you know, grinding around it, and then you just keep thinking, yeah, like, why am I doing this? I don't know. I just really don't know. But I'm good. I'm especially like, alright, it's not the right boot floor, but it's cost me nothing. What is that, 400 quid for the panel? So, yeah, it's not cost me quite well, is it? So, gonna have a few issues with some of the other bits and pieces though, I'd say. And I think our sort of, our homemade floor pan assemblies should be quite hilarious. But, it depends whether I just get on and do them, or whether you get me to see me do them. I don't know. I don't know whether there's anyone interested, to be honest, because it isn't factory and it's not original, and you know it's all homemade. But then I got my swager, I got my bender, I got my folder, I got my Schwinker Schwetcher. I got everything I need to do it. So what else will do it? Why not? Because remember, if it doesn't cost me any money, it makes the car cheaper. It means it's cheaper. And at the end of the day, that's what we all want, isn't it? A cheap E-Type. Is there such a thing?